All right, guys. So maybe you've learned HTML and CSS, you know a little bit of JavaScript, and now you want to get into the back end coding languages so that you can be a full stack web developer. And I'm here to tell you the best back end language for you to start with is going to be PHP. Still to this day, guys. As you can see here, I'm not making this up. PHP is used by 71 to 75% of all websites that are in existence, basically, guys. PHP still to this day, even with all the stuff that's come out in the last 10 years with Node, people using Python on the back end, people using Java on the back end for web apps, PHP is still the king, guys. And you might say, okay, 71, 75% of websites use PHP. How many websites is there? There's 1.34 billion websites on the internet right now, guys. So 70% of that, do the math, okay? PHP is too ingrained in the internet. It's not going anywhere. Yes, a lot of it is WordPress, but who cares? If you want to learn the back end, a back end language that was literally made for the internet, the reason that PHP is so popular still is because it was literally created for the internet, guys. Like it was meant to go with HTML and CSS, just like peanut butter and jelly. The only thing that you have to do to get a PHP file running is download a simple server, which I can show you how to do on the channel. Just look up install MAMP or WAMP on Practical Web Dev YouTube channel. And then literally just make a page, say .php at the end, and that's it. Like you're actually ready to go. So let me just say, we can even demonstrate this as I talk to you here. That's how easy it is to get started. You don't have to download a bunch of compilers or a bunch of other complicated nonsense. We can literally just drop this new folder into VS Code, and I can say index.php. And now I can write my code. Now I can start writing the PHP. I can wrap my HTML in my PHP. Everything goes together, guys. The internet was made to run on PHP. One little simple line of code will connect you to a database, which I teach MySQL database. Again, pretty much the most popular database out there is still MySQL all these years later. And that's it. It's simple to use. It's easy to get into. And especially if you've already learned, if you've taken my courses or other people's courses or watched other people's stuff, you've already learned JavaScript and the basics of programming. PHP looks almost identical. Okay, it's all the same stuff. Everything functions look the same, arrays, a lot of the data types, everything looks the same. Loops are pretty much the same, very similar. Okay, it's all the same concepts. So it's like the natural next step is PHP, guys. There's a lot of jobs in PHP, and we can even look at that now. Let's say PHP jobs available. And the reason that there's over 1,000 PHP developer positions across the U.S. that people can't fill. And the reason they can't fill them is because for a long time on the internet, it's calmed down a little bit. It's not really that bad anymore. But when the big golden age boom of learning web development was around, 5, 6, 7 years ago, everybody trashed on PHP. They wanted to sell you their React course, teach you Node.js, teach you full JavaScript courses. So nobody wanted to touch PHP for a long time, basically just because of like the fake online learn web development hype that PHP was bad. So now people can't even fill these positions, guys. So if you want work, if you want to apply to jobs that don't already have like 2,000 applicants, like all the React jobs and JavaScript jobs out there, PHP is where you want to be. If you want to learn PHP the right way with no theory, no fluff, no BS, no endless sandbox exercises, if you want to learn it by building real projects, check out my PHP and MySQL Foundations course. We will teach you PHP fast, and we'll make it fun because we're going to be building projects the whole time, okay? There's not going to be any hour-long lectures on theory. 27 sections, 166 lessons. I'll show you how to build login apps, how to build basic PHP pages just to get started, how to build a PHP to-do app, and all of this is going to be connected to a MySQL database. So you'll learn database basics, how to connect to the database, and then we build our own little custom WordPress. We build a content management system, a CMS. We build registration pages, blog pages, admin pages, a whole backend dashboard. And we do it in a way that's easy to understand. We don't go crazy with the design. We don't make everything super complicated. We just make it basic, bare bones, so you can see how PHP works. And we even do security things. I'll show you how to sanitize things, do salting, make your website more secure with PHP. It's all in there, guys. After that, it's not just the code and it's not just the PHP, guys. I teach you more stuff. I teach you how to build your brand. You should be building your brand as a web developer. How do you do that? Simple. You do what I did. You start a YouTube channel and you just teach things. You show people, you build websites, you do commentary, you make tutorials, make helpful content, make a name for yourself. That's how practical web dev started, guys. Like my channel, this was almost like a happy accident. I didn't set out to be like a YouTuber or, even I didn't think anybody would subscribe. This was just for my personal benefit so I could put tutorials on my portfolio when I was applying for jobs. And wouldn't you know it, people subscribed. I eventually created a course. Now I have multiple courses that pay me almost every day. And here we are. You'd be shocked at how far you can come by just building your own brand. Not only that, but building my own brand made it 10 times easier to apply to positions. And it really gets people's attention when they see that, oh man, this person's a real person. I can watch them work. It skyrockets you to the top of every applicant list whenever you put in for a job. If you can show this proof, I mean, you just know, you're destroying the competition just on that alone. You'll at least get a lot more interviews than people just because of that. So build your brand. How do you actually make money with this stuff? How do you find a 9-to-5 job? How do you make money freelancing? How do you make money as an entrepreneur like I did, right? How do you use AI to speed up your web development process? This is a very important video. It's like a 15-minute video. It's gold, okay? A lot of people still are not using AI or they're not using it correctly. You cannot be an AI denier, okay? You have to learn how to use it and put it in your workflow, and this video will teach you exactly how to do that. So guys, if you want to get into the back end, again, check out PHP and MySQL Foundations. If you want the exact roadmap that I use to become a web developer quickly, check out my free practical web dev roadmap link in the description. It'll tell you exactly what to learn, how much of each language to learn, when to move on, and how to not get bogged down in years of theory and trying to become the best web developer ever at home. Okay, this will teach you how to actually get the results by learning the minimum of what you have to know, building real projects, and then applying to jobs or freelancing or whatever you want to do. This guide will get you making money faster than any other roadmap on the internet that has about 1,000 things for you to do. That's all BS. You don't need all those things. You need the foundations, and then you need to get to work. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video.